I put my PHP tag into my Notepad++, and I'm set to go. I key in $x equals an array, and I put in two objects, quotes sales, comma, quotes expenses, semicolon. So there are my two elements, sales and expenses. I want to print them out. Echo $x, that's the array, and I'm going to print out the 0th element. That's sales. This guy here. There's the file name, PHP strange arrays. I boot up Mozilla Firefox and key in localhost/file name, and I get my output, sales. But now you take sales and make it point to other data. You also take expenses and make it point to other data. How do you now reference all this? Like so. Echo $x, and then the index is not numeric anymore, it's text. Sales. This is how you do it. This will display that 2014. I key in localhost/file name, and I get my output 2014. Sales pointed to 2014. Now I change this echo $x expenses, which is pointing to oil. I save this as PHP strange arrays 3. I key in localhost and file name, and I get my output, oil, which is pointed to by expenses. If I now attempt to reference a 0th element as before, watch what happens. Error. Undefined offset 0. No such thing. Once these pointer-like structures are established, you can't go back to the old system. The method of element reference can no longer be a numeric, but the actual string that points to the target data. Like so. And we get 2014. So basically, we've talked about two types of arrays. Indexed arrays, which are arrays that can be referenced by a numeric index or key, like so, up here. Indexed arrays. And associative arrays that can be accessed by a key that is a string, like here. Sales. This is George Boole.